Hello, what's up guys? I'm your host Gordon and welcome to another one of my video. Today we are going to take a look at the DC Vona tower fan. So to those who are new to the channel, this channel is all about cars and tech reviews. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting content. The car content is definitely coming. Okay, when we talk about tower fans, the first thing that came in mind is definitely a Dyson tower fan, right? And because of the existence of Dyson fans, it kind of overshadowed a lot of really good tower fans, such as this. So when I was searching for a tower fan, the first thing that actually came in mind is actually a Dyson fan. But in Malaysia, Dyson fan is a little bit too expensive, so I'm trying to look for options. But most of the options that I try to find looks pretty ugly and pretty much unappealing as compared to Dyson. And then I came across this, the Alphafan DC tower fan. Yeah, that's the name of the fan. So I tried to search in the internet, search in YouTube to see if anyone actually bought this and did a video review. And to my surprise, there is absolutely no information about such an incredible fan. Okay, for most people, including me, who thought of getting a Dyson fan is mostly of the looks, because it looks pretty modern, pretty futuristic. And I don't see why people are not getting this. This fan over here looks more like an art piece, more like a display in the house, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see at first glance, it kind of looks like it is made out of wood, but not really, because these are actually hard plastic that looks like wood. So Dyson recently renewed their tower fan. Now their tower fan are having like air purification function. They have like filters and stuff. Do you know what? This thing actually costs like way lesser than a Dyson fan, and it actually kinda have the same function. Let me show you this. There's this plastic cap over here which kind of pops out and reveal I wouldn't call this a HEPA filter. It's more like a super fine dust filter, but it's definitely going to filter out like the finest dust, but not bacteria and other stuff, right? And then other than that, this fan actually came with ionizing function that kind of ionize the air. I don't know what that means, but it is kind of an air purification thing going on over here. Other than that, if you want your living room to smell good, just pull this thing off, drip some perfume or some sort of scent liquid in it, pop it back in there, and your living room will smell absolutely great. And one of the most concerned issue about tower fan is about how strong is the wind, how loud is the fan. We're gonna test it now. So right now I'm going to use the remote control instead of the touch screen over here. Yes, you hear me right? There's like this touch screen over here. You can just turn on it, just like so. I would try to increase the speed. Right now is speed 1. I wouldn't really recommend using speed 1 because feels like nothing. Speed 2 feels like nothing as well. So let us go straight to speed 5. Okay, it starts to feel a lot of wind coming out of here, and it actually sounded pretty quiet, and that's pretty ideal. Let us go up to speed 7. Speed 7 sounds pretty much like a regular stand fans, and the wind is pretty strong. As you can try to hear the sound and justify yourself. You hear that? You hear that? It's not too loud. And that can it oscillate? The answer is, you click on the oscillation. Yeah, it oscillates. Pretty straightforward, just like a Dyson fan, and it looks better than a Dyson fan. Other than that, you can actually change the wind blowing direction manually. There's like 2 levels. Like for the bottom part, you can actually shoot on the floor for some good reason. And the top part, you can actually shoot at top, and you have like 2 different wind direction, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Other than that, of course, you got your timer and all those stuff. And there is a really funny button over here which says light. And I'm expecting the whole thing to light up, but unfortunately when you click on the light, it only lights up the floor and it's like some sort of a blue lighting. And if you're done with it, just put the remote control back at the top and you are good. Okay guys, so that is all for today. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course I'm going to see you in the next video. Adios guys!